Alright dear, you're welcome back to the module 2 of this course. We are now in the getting ready section. Alright, so in this place we are going to show you how to get a dollar card, alright, that you can use to make your purchase. Okay, so the app we are going to be using is called Chippercash. Alright, so I'm going to drop the link to the app below this video. All right, it's actually my referral link, and when you use that link, you're going to get a bonus. When you start using the app, you're going to get some money. So do well to use the link I'm going to drop below this video to download the app. All right, so once you click on that link, it's going to take you to Play Store. All right, where you're going to see the Chippercash app. All right, so let me go to Play Store directly and just type a Chippercash. All right, you're going to see it here. All right, so here is the app. The moment you click on the link that is below this video, this particular video, you are going to be taken to this place. You can see I already have it installed, but you that has not installed it, you are going to see the install button. All right, if you already have it, please update it, just like I'm doing to my own now. All right, just update the app and make sure that you are good to go. All right, okay, the Chippercash app has finished updating for me. All right, like I said, for installing, click the link below this video you're watching now to actually install the Chippercash app and get a welcome bonus when you do that. All right, okay, so now that the Chippercash app is installed and open, let me open it here and show you what I mean by a dollar card. Okay, so I'm going to open the Chippercash app. Okay, so you can see my Chippercash app here now, and if you look at the screen, you can see I have a card here over here. All right, so here is the card. So click on card here. You're going to see that I have the current balance. Here you can see this is Naira card and this is USSD card. All right, USD card. So this is the one we'll be needing. All right, the dollar card. Okay, you can see it here, and you can see, if you look there, you can see the purchases I've been using to make. I've been using this app card to make. You can see it here. All right, look at it here. I've been using this card to make different online purchases. All right, you can see $72 and all of those things. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to register on Chippercash app, and then you know, apply for their card. All right, it takes just 24 hours to get that done. So first of all, I'm going to log out of my account first and show you how to get started if you are completely new. Okay, so let me make sure I'm logged out. All right, let me sign out. Okay, so once you sign out, and this is how your Chippercash app is going to appear, you know, when you open it. All right, when you open it. Okay, so you are opening a new account. All right, first thing you're going to do is to open free account. That's just what you have to click, and then okay, leave out all those things, close up that. All right, so enter your phone number. I'm going to enter my second line because I already used my first line, 9131924769. All right, make sure that you don't enter the initial 0. Okay, once you do that, click on next. All right, and verify your phone number. Please dial to automatically verify your phone number, so just click on the dial here, and once you do that, dial it with that phone number. Right, is my SIM2. I'm going to dial it with my SIM2, and once it's verified, right, it has verified. So I'm going to move back to the Chippercash app. So let me get back to the Chippercash app. Open free account. Okay, you can use your email. I advise you use your email first because it seems the phone number something has issues. So I advise you use your email. I'm going to say, let me check the emails. I'm going to use my second email here, and I'm going to use my second email to make sure that I am getting the right thing. Okay, so I'm going to use or could tech. Okay, let me use tech pastor. I'm going to use this techpastoracademy@gmail.com, and just click on next. All right, and they're going to send me an email, a 6-digit code on this email. All right, so that's what Chippercash is going to do. Okay, so I just have to go to my Gmail and find the code they sent. All right, let me go to my Gmail and find it. I just hope the thing does not close up first. All right, just have to go to my Gmail. All right, you can see the code should be here, and the code is 779280. all right, 779280. okay, so enter the code here, 779280. all right, so that's that. So if your phone number is not working, please use your email to start. all right, so once you do that, enter your name. I'm going to say just okay, let me say last name. Okay, this is my first name. I'm going to say Albert. I'm going to say Moria, and all of those things. Date of birth. Just enter your date of birth, sha. Let me just enter a random date of birth. Say 1996. Alright, so let me just enter a random date of birth, and then select this sending money from Nigeria. So select your country here. Alright, make sure you select your country here. Alright, if you're in Africa, then click on next. The next you're going to do is to country of birth. Enter in all these details. Alright, enter in all these details. I'm going to search for Nigeria. And primary citizenship, I will still search Nigeria again, Nigerian. all right, my gender, okay, I'm a male, and I'm going to click on. You can see we are now in the third one. Street name, just enter your street name. I'm just going to enter for street. all right, okay, so house number, I can just say 4. all right, postal code 43. all right, enter in all these details and click on next. And then your Chippercash tag. all right, I'm going to say tech pastor. all right, tech pastor, that is your tag. It will say tag is available. If that tag is available, it's going to show it here. If not, it's also going to show you. So once you do that, click on confirm tag. all right, you can always go back to make sure your tag is okay. all right, confirm tag. And then what is your main reason for all of this? Just say send money to loved ones abroad. all right, so I would like you to choose this last one because you're using it for mini importation. So click on next, and that is that. You have to set your pin. all right, 4 pin. I'm just going to set my 4-digit pin here. all right, you have to enter it twice for it to work. okay, so that is that. You can enable fingerprint. If your phone has a fingerprint. If not, you can skip that option. all right, so that's it. My account is created. all right, my account has been created now, and then that is that about this. Okay, so let me leave here. Let me make this video to stop here. all right, the next video we're going to now look at how to verify some other things and then apply for your Chippercash dollar card. all right, this is just about registering on Chippercash. See you in the next video.